Hi everyone, I am going to be making some dinner, and I thought about, I always have this, I have some favorite food comforts, and this one is one of my favorites. So I'm going to show you how to, they're my tostadas. I don't know if I've shown you one. If I have some picadillo, which is a seasoned meat that I usually make, and I use the same seasoned meat in my tamales, I would use that as well. Or you could eliminate the beans, but usually my tostadas come with beans, and this is a refried bean, and I use the back of the spoon this time. I usually use a potato masher, but I was told that traditionally the back of the spoon, it's a little bit more authentic, but really it doesn't matter. So what I do is I just layer it with beans, and then I put picadillo over it. It's really good, and then I'll just go ahead and put some cheese, because I want the cheese to melt on my tostada after I put the heated up picadillo. And then I put my shredded romaine lettuce. You could use the iceberg lettuce, of course. If you want to put some cilantro on that, you can blend that in there. And then I usually like to put my shredded cheese on there, like my Parmesan. I use a Parmesan Reggiano mixture, and then I put plenty of that on there. And then I make it like a salad, because I like, I'm just like a salad person. So then I have this picadillo. I'm sorry, pico de gallo, and it has the tomatoes, onions. You can put green, red onions, white onions, and that's actually cucumbers. So I'll put like cucumbers in it and add a little salt, serrano or jalapeno peppers, and then I just kind of put that over like that. And I put a lot of the liquids in there on there, because I want that liquid to kind of go in there. And then if you want to add some more cheese, then you can. So that kind of makes a nice presentation. And if you want to put some avocado, you can. You can layer the avocado on top of that. You just slice it up, make sure you rinse it really well, and then layer it on there, and then make it really pretty and colorful. And then you can add some salsa, which I'm going to add some of my salsa on there, and some sour cream. Oh, sour cream is always good, but I'm just going to put salsa on this one. And then you have your tostada. Okay. I thought I'd make that really quick for you. This is what I'm having for dinner tonight. And, okay. And that's it. Okay. Happy cooking. So, enjoy your tostada if you make them. So, my beans, like I said, my beans are actually homemade. So or you can buy them in a can. They're already prepped in a can. And just dress them up. Alrighty. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.